Hi, I'm Jim. I've lived and worked in Snowdonia for over 20 years and I run a company called Nature's Work. My courses are relaxed and informative and packed full of novel activities to help people learn about the natural world. I'm passionate about the environment and making connections with nature, and I want people through my courses to be able to do the same. Nature's Work brings to life the natural world. We offer a range of guided walks and environmental courses. We're specialists in running innovative workshops designed to help people learn in a fun and informative way. The workshops are designed to connect people to the world around us, to improve their observation and identification skills. For more information on our courses and workshops, or to see our range of products, check out our website, or simply drop us a line.